So today let's examine this questionable plugin Night Light. It says LED dim night lighting, half a watt, made by a Liam, whatever. Night lighting. It has a switch on it, this European plug, and let's take a look at the description because I think it's really worth it. Dim night lighting series with elegant appearance, small and exquisite body, adapt advanced technology and are made from advanced electric and material. Power consumption on, there is a space, and work normally at voltage of 110 to 250 volts, 50 to 60 Hertz. Trial guarantees are offered with this product. Bloody hell! All tubes are used, 3 primary colors and concentrated fluorescent or fluorescent powder, sending out soft light with long service life. This product is essential for the daily life of a family, period, and a very good present for others. It would be a very good present for this channel because we can have a lot of fun with this. That product, period, a range of 6 colored brights, period, the white colored bright with the forceful rays has a high brightness, suitable for using at the corridor, staircase, and in a laboratory bathroom. The yellow, period, pink and light bios brights, period, suitable for using in a bedroom, period, and saloon, which are not distracting while watching television or sleeping at night. Light green of light blue colored brights, suitable for using in karaoke room, fish IR, net decoration cabinet, having distinctive flavor and taste.